Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and play Dream League Soccer on PC step by step. So if you want to enjoy the game on a bigger screen with keyboard controls, keep watching till the end. Let's get started. Dream League Soccer is a mobile game, so to play it on PC we need an Android emulator. We will use BlueStacks. Open your browser and search for BlueStacks. Go to the official website and click on Download. Wait for the setup file to download. Open the downloaded file, click Install Now, and wait for the installation to complete. After that, launch BlueStacks. Now sign in with your Google account. This is required to access the Play Store. Open Google Play Store inside BlueStacks. Search for Dream League Soccer. Click Install and wait for it to download. Once installed, click Open. Now you can start playing Dream League Soccer on your PC. BlueStacks will give you default keyboard controls. You can customize them for better gameplay, for better performance, set graphics to medium or low, enable high FPS, close background apps, make sure your PC has at least 4 GB RAM, stable internet connection also. Always download games from official sources only. That's it. Now you know how to download and play Dream League Soccer on PC easily.